Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen flickering on your Motorola Razr 60. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust the brightness. So first, we're going to open settings. Now in these settings, what are we going to do is we're going to scroll down until we see display. And here first, we want to disable adaptive brightness. Now we want to change the brightness ourselves. And once we change the brightness, what are we going to do is we're going to download the screen dimming app from the Play Store. So go to search for apps in the games, and here we're going to go over and screen dimmer and OLED saver. Now we're going to download this app right here. It might be first or second to you. We're going to click install, and now it's installing. It's only 1.5 megabytes, even less than that, so it should install pretty quickly. We're going to go and grant the first permission, which is to get the access to our brightness. The next one in accessibility, so whenever we just rotate our screen or enable an overlay, it just works. And the last one to display the brightness bar in notifications. So let me just lower it. And here we also have the brightness bar that we can adjust. So here we can do that, and of course I'm going to disable it for now, but remember, after you disable it, you need to change your brightness back to what it was. So now of course you can use it, you don't have to. You can also go to brightness settings and here adjust the extra dim, like advanced settings, minimal physical brightness, change delay and change duration. And what you guys can do as a last resort is update your software. So go over to the system updates, tap on check for updates, and everything looks good for me, and I'm on the latest version. But if you're not, then I recommend you updating. It's very important. And that's basically it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.